Commercial service contractors struggle with slow quoting, inconsistent pricing, and messy sales to service handoffs that frustrate customers and hurt margins. SalesManager is the purpose-built estimating, proposal automation, and CRM tool that gives commercial service sales teams the templates, data, and connected workflows they need to quote faster, sell smarter, and hand off cleanly to service. Create professional proposals in minutes, not hours. Standardize pricing to protect margins, and sync directly with ServiceTrade for a flawless handoff to the service team. Transform your sales process from manual chaos into a repeatable, profitable growth engine. Ready to sell faster and grow your bottom line? See SalesManager in action today.